privilege to direct The Cat's Meow, which was written by Scott Heaton and Evan Kepnick. Starring in is Mike Walker, Megan McGee, and Lindsay Gagliano. So, Cat's Meow!
Hold your horses. Calm down, calm down. How can I help you, young lady?
Hi, I'm Mary. I called about the cat.
Oh, cat! I tell you what, I never thought I'd be able to get rid of her.
Oh, well, I have a lot of love in my heart, and I just can't wait to take her home and feed her and scratch her belly.
Scratch her belly? I don't know if she's totally into that, but with her, you never know. So. Cat! Cat, why don't you get in here?
Wow, she comes when she's called. That's impressive.
It's not that impressive. Usually takes 2 or 3 calls, so. Cat! I said get in here! Well, if she doesn't come right away, this usually gets her.
Hi, everybody! Did I hear you call Cat? That's perfect. Hi, I'm Cat. Sorry I didn't come when you called, Dennis. I was busy listening to Ingrid Michaelson record and painting sunflowers.
We got enough sunflowers, Cat.
Dennis, you can never have enough sunflowers!
Please kill me.
Hi, I'm Cat. Oh, Dennis, you and your little frowny face. You know what I always do when I'm sad? Oh, Dennis, I know that you're sad, but it'll get better. Don't you worry. You are a crazy little old grandma, but you've got a heart of gold, or so I'm told.
There's gonna be a lot of singing.
I'm sorry. I do not understand what's going on here. I'm here about the cat.
Mary, this is Cat. She's all yours. Leave with her right now and give you the
You said you were giving away a cat. This is a person named Cat.
And this is an umbrella named Joshua. It's starting to rain. Oh my gosh, but don't you worry. I got my friend Josh.
Like I said, a lot of singing.
I'm sorry, but I think I'm just going to have to...
Wait, you can't leave! I need to take a picture of you for my collage.
Why?
Well, I always take a picture of my new friend. Well, them and clouds I think look like turtles.
Thank you for your time.
What? You can't leave yet! I have to ask you something.
What?
Why did you want a cat in the first place?
What do you mean?
A cat. Why did you want one to begin with? Was it for companionship? Or something fuzzy to cuddle? Or something to give endless amounts of love to? Or to sing a Meow Max theme song? Meow, 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 meow.
I know the song! I guess the reason I wanted a cat is because my boyfriend just left me.
Should have tried for a dog.
Sounds like her boyfriend was a dog.
Yeah, kind of jerk a lot.
Well, guess what, Mary Kay?
That's not my last name.
I just make heart-shaped brownies, and those hearts never break.
Although they do crumble.
Dennis, you with your old crazy-ass pants. Okay, I've got something for you. It's my jar of sunshine, and I want you to have some. Don't worry, I've got plenty.
So this is not what I was expecting. But thank you for your time, and good luck with your... that. Oh my God, nobody knows!
What?
Look at the bottom of the jar. Look at it. See, it looks like there might be enough sunshine for Mary! Mary was sad, 'cause she lost her fella. I know what will make it better, playing with an umbrella!
What's to do with this?
Just open up Joshua and twirl your problems away.
Wait a minute. Isn't that supposed to be bad luck or something?
It's not bad luck if it's cats and dogs. Or should I say, cats and dogs?
Now, I understand you said your name the second time. No one's gonna know the difference.
Hey, I'm starting to feel a little bit better.
That's because Joshua makes the rain go away. Even the nasty ones call me ex-boyfriend. Mary was blue, but she got a clue. She opened up the paper, then she came to say,
That doesn't even rhyme.
You don't need a line, you've got a song in your heart. Wait, cat, come live in my flat. Oh, I'm sorry I'm new with this.
no, that was great. And I love how you referenced your apartment as a flat.
You know what? I really love your camera. I haven't seen one of like those in ages.
Oh, I love vintage things like Mickey Mouse and Dennis.
Do you want to get out of here? BFFs? You in with me?
Yeah, let's go!
Yes, finally. I thought she would never leave, huh? Oh. Well, I guess it's just you and me, Margaret.